Meaning of goldbrick.
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 Goldbrick. The term goldbrick is often used to describe someone who shirks their responsibilities or avoids work. It can also refer to an object that appears to be valuable or genuine, but in reality is fake or of low quality. In both cases, the term implies deceit or laziness. This word likely originated from the idea of a brick that is painted gold to make it appear more valuable than it truly is. Being called a goldbrick is generally considered an insult and suggests that the person being referred to is not trustworthy or reliable.